Looking for utility and comfort, but don't want to have to sacrifice style? Have a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan in white knuckle. With 17-inch painted black aluminum wheels, with all-season tires, automatic headlamps with daytime runners, power heated mirrors, power sliding doors, power liftgate, power heated leather trimmed bucket seats, leather heated steering wheel with mounted audio controls, remote start system, second and third row stow and go seats, latch ready child seat anchor system, 6.5-inch touchscreen display with Garmin navigation system, rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, UCONNECT voice command with Bluetooth, SIRIUSXM radio, 3-zone temperature control, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, head over to marinocjd.com, stock number D5357.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.